Hi guys, Steph here. Now, once again, for you regular viewers that watch my videos regular and watch my pen haul videos, you will remember seeing this pen here. There you go. Little bit tired as always, like all the pens, and just needs a little bit of TLC. Hey. And after that TLC, look at this gorgeous pen. If I can show you the barrel imprint, I don't know how clear it'll be for you, but it reads the Universal Pen, Conway Stewart, London, and then to the very bottom it's got the number 479. Okay, so we've got the Conway Stewart 479 in this gorgeous. Now, I think Conway Stewart actually called this particular colour the marbled red amber. Why red amber? I'm not particularly sure. I may be wrong, but to me it's more of a sort of lovely bronze colour with these sort of maybe black veins, black sort of pieces here and there, but an absolutely gorgeous colour. Okay, now the size of this particular pen capped is 129 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's a nice 12 millimeters in diameter. It's a lever fill fountain pen. As you can see there, Conway Stewart lever. It's got the nickel lever. And then if we show you the clip, it's got the sort of earlier sort of ball clip there, also in nickel with the Conway Stewart logo to the top. Okay, and to the very top there, we've got this black top to the very top of the cap there. As you've noticed, there's no cap band on this particular model, okay, which is correct. Now, the thing about the number 479 pens, these were predominantly pens made for retailers, stationery company, printers. Well, they were made for other people. And what you'll do when you find the 479, you'll find the name of that, of the particular company it was made for on the pen. Now, whereabouts is it? Is it there? Okay, always difficult to see over the camera, but I think that's where it says it. But this one was made for A. Brown and Sons Limited, Savile Street in Hull. Okay, Hull being here in the UK. Okay, so this particular pen was made for A. Brown and Sons Limited, who I believe back in the days were a printing company. They may have also been a stationer's, so that's who this particular pen or this particular model was made for. And as I said, these pens, the 479, were made for other people, as I said, stationers, companies, printers, etc. Okay, a gorgeous pen. Actually, I don't know if I just mentioned the size. Yes, I did. 129 by 12 millimeters in diameter, in absolutely gorgeous condition. Made in England, obviously. And the colouring, yeah, I find it absolutely gorgeous, the colour. As I say, more of a bronze colour, bronze copper colour. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's take the cap off for you. Let's show you the pen in numerous different angles for you. Give it a twirl. Absolutely lovely. So not only is it a gorgeous colour on this particular pen, we've got the section, typical Conway Stewart section, as you can see there in black, slight ridge towards the nib. Okay, and then if we show you the nib, Okay, it's got a Conway Stewart 14 karat gold, and I don't know if you can see it to the bottom, it may be hidden in the section, but this is actually a small nib. It's actually a number 1 nib. Now the added bonus for this, or the interesting thing about this particular pen, I don't know how close I can get it for you, but if you look at the nib there, maybe it's better to show you a sideways version. Okay, you may notice the nib. Okay, I'm just trying to focus for you so you can see it. The nib has got a slight upturn to it. Okay, now it's not been dropped on the floor or anything like that. You can see it there to the very tip of the nib there. But this is what they term as a fude nib. Okay, now a fude nib, I believe fude, translated in Japanese, is a brush. So these particular nibs, the fude nibs, are supposed to write like a brush. Okay, some people will look at it and say, oh, has it been dropped? No, it's not. It's specifically designed as it is. It's a fude nib. So it be interesting to see how the pen writes. Now, what I've done, I've obviously fully restored the pen, put a new sack. Once again, I'm not going to fill the pen. I'm going to look for a new owner. We're going to let the new owner decide what, if they want to fill the pen with ink, with their favourite ink, or display the pen, I don't know. But what we'll do, let's just do a dip test to see how this fude nib writes. So we'll dip it in the ink just to the right here. And what we've got is a Conway Stewart. Just give it a proper dip there. And we've got the number 479, made in England, and made, I would say, 1930s, 1940s. Okay, it's writing nicely, as you'd expect from a Conway Stewart, but a little bit of variation in the line, because with it being a fude nib, then it just takes a little bit of getting used to when you actually write with it. Well, for obvious reasons, I would have thought, but writing very nicely. And I know there's people out there who actually like these particular nibs. I think they're quite popular with people that do a lot of calligraphy, etc. But there we have it, a gorgeous pen in this beautiful colour, fitted with a Conway Stewart fude nib. So let's put the cap back on. We'll clean the pen after the video. But an absolutely stunning pen, stunning condition. And once again, there we go, look at that colour. Absolutely gorgeous. I wish some of the modern pens would also use this colouring. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so there we have it, the Conway Stewart number 479, the universal pen. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Leave a comment below, don't be shy. Subscribe as well to the channel. And don't forget, just down there, press that thumbs up to show that you enjoy the video. For now, I'm going to say Slava Ukraini from me and this beautiful pen. I'm just going to say bye-bye for now.